This Alert Service Bulletin revises SB-912I-016-SB-SL. It states the following. In addition to this Alert Service Bulletin, the following documents must be observed. The Operator's Manual, OM. The Installation Manual, IM. The Maintenance Manual Line, MML. Specifically, individuals with type-specific training. Now let's move on to the first step of the procedure you must follow if your engine is affected by this Alert Service Bulletin: lines, cables, or components to gain better access, but it should still be manageable. However, if space is limited, you may need to either remove the engine from the aircraft or pull it away from the firewall to create sufficient access. 3D print file, so we can make it available for free to our ROTAX owner subscribers. So stay tuned for updates on this, as we hope to have something available soon. Do not use anything other than the proper ROTAX crankshaft locking tool to lock the crankshaft, leading to significant costs and downtime. This has happened before, so consider this a fair warning. The flow test, then you're good to go. You've successfully complied with this Alert Service Bulletin. From there, you can reassemble the engine and/or clear out any excess Loctite that may be blocking the oil flow intended to cool the stator. You can easily locate the nearest support center in your area. If you'd like to receive critical safety information for your ROTAX aircraft engine, be sure to subscribe to rotaxowner.com.